So which part you want to do today? 8.1, you have done any all the questions, or you are having doubts in 8.1?
No, sir, we are not done with all the questions.
11.1, you are not having any doubts?
So what I'm saying is that we are not done with all the questions.
Till 11 we have done, no? Till 11. Then after that I told you can do it from home, and if you're having doubt you can ask, right?
Yes, sir.
See, till 11 we have done in the last class. Then we did from other books some extra questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you try it after 11th anything? Did you try, children? Or you want me to do from 12th? What do you say that I do of? If you're having doubt as such. Tell me. 8.1 we have did till question number 11. Shall we do question number 12, Nihar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Because this question, so many this type questions are there proving sums that you may have doubt. Okay. So see, question number 11th is 11th. We have done 12th now. Okay. So question number 12. Share the screen. Share. Can you see this? See question number 11th. Always just try, children. See the question over here in the textbook you are having now. And if you are not having, just see this question. Question number 12. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and AD is equals to BC. See the figure down. You have to show that angle A is equals to angle B, angle C is equals to angle D, and third one is triangle ABC is similar to triangle, congruent to triangle BAD. And fourth one is diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD. How to prove this? Anyone who can tell me this answer? Satvik, on your camera, Satvik.
Yes, sir.
Sai Ritvik.
Good evening.
Nihar, can you do this question?
So 1 minute, sir.
You have to prove first angle A is equals to angle B. How to prove this? If you prove this ADCE is parallelogram, right? If you prove that, so ABCD is a trapezium. This is parallel to this. It's trapezium they were given here. AB is parallel to CD and AD is equals to BC. This side is equals to BC. Okay. Show that angle A is equals to angle B. This angle A is equals to angle B. This you have to prove. So how to prove angle A is equals to angle B? See what we have done here. First of all, CE is there, no? We have to extend this CE, which is parallel to AD. This is parallel to AD. You have to draw on construction, which is not given in the textbook, this one, right? So CE we should make such that AD is parallel to CE, okay? It means that AECD becomes what? AECD is what? Parallelogram. If you have done by construction, parallelogram. First line is clear. AECD is parallelogram because AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and AB is equals to C is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to CE. Okay,
Sir,
this is by construction we have done, right? By
no, sir, how does it matter that AB is parallel to CD, right? It's AE, the line is AE, right?
yeah, line AE you can write, no problem. AE you write or AB you write, not a problem. If AB is parallel to DC, it means that AE is also parallel to CD only, right? If this you have done, it means what? AD is equals to CE, right? AD is equals to CE.
Yes.
Where Priyanshu is calling, 1 minute. Mhm. 1 minute. After this, you can try AD is equals to CE and A is equals to CD. Pulastya, can you do this? Pulastya, can you do this? Pulastya,
Can you hear me?
yeah. Can you do this, Pulastya? Can you do this?
I'm thinking how do I do this?
Okay. Now see here, if AD is equals to C, we have proved right now, and it's given that AD is parallel to CB. So can we write here? Can we write here BC is equals to CE? Tell me. Because AD is equals to CB, they have given already, and this is equals to what? CE also, right? So can we write this BC is also equal to BC only? So this become like isosceles triangle, right? So
Yes.
this become, if what is the angle here? If you see this angle, this green color, this angle is equals to what? This color, this angle, correct? Can you see this? So what
Yes.
we can write here, angle ABC is equals to angle AEC. What is the reason here?
The corresponding
Corresponding angles.
It is equal.
Hmm? We cannot write like this, right?
No.
See how to write here, angle, this angle plus this angle. If you write here this angle and both angle, if you add, so angle ABC is equals to angle BEC plus angle ECB. Yes. So if you add this one angle, this one, I'll just remove that first. If you see this angle and this angle, this sum should be angle this. Then how to do this? How to do? Anyone having clue what to do in this question? Wise.
So one doubt.
Say.
So can we take parallel lines AE and BC as a transversal?
AB and
AE and BC, sir.
AE and BC are
DC,
transverse.
sir, DC.
Huh.
As the parallel lines and BC as a transversal?
That you can say.
Okay.
Hmm. Mhm, mhm, mhm. ABC and CBE. CBE equals to angle A plus angle CBE. If I write in this way, 1 minute, angle ABC plus angle CBE. This angle and this angle, both angles are 180 degree, is equals to angle A plus angle ACB. We can write CE and ABC and CBE. Here in this case, angle CBE is equals to angle CEB. CBE and CEB both are equal. So this will get cancelled. So angle A
Sir, I got it, sir.
angle B. See, this way is correct. Nihat, see what I have done here. See, first I have written here angle, this both angles, angle B and angle this part. What I have written is angle ABC plus angle CBE. If you add this, you'll get 180 degree.
Yes,
Linear pair.
yes,
This both are
Yes.
linear pair, right?
yes, sir. Even I have done by this method only.
Again, what we can do here is,
Yes, sir. Even I have done by this method only. sir.
fine, fine, fine.
So
So
this I
next,
got, sir. Then
Angle-
for angle C is equal to angle D, I did angle A plus angle D is 180. Angle B plus angle C is 180. So angle A and angle B will get cancelled. So angle D is equal to angle
that's
C.
why angle A is equals to angle B. Anyone having doubt in this? See what I've written here. Linear pair. With linear pair, this both angles are equal. Sorry, with this both angles should be equal to 180 degree, right? Saidithvik. Next line,
Yes,
what I
sir.
is equals to what I've written, angle A, this angle, what I'm coloring completely, that one, and angle E, complete part. This sum should be equal to Y because this is what we can say, adjacent angle of parallelogram. What we write here?
180 degree.
Adjacent angles of parallelogram. Okay, that's why these both are what, equal. So angle CBE and the CEB both are equal already, we know, right? This is a
Yes,
part
sir.
of what? This is a part of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, as you can write here, as CEB is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. That's why two angles are equal. If two sides are equal, the two angles are also equal. Correct. So angle A is equals to angle B. Now how to prove angle C is equals to angle D? Angle C means complete angle C is equals to angle D. How to do this? Angle C is equals to angle D. Who can do this question? Angle C is equals to angle D. See, angle first, what we can write? Angle A is equals to angle D. Can we write? This is the first part got proved, right? First, now second part I'm proving right now. And can we write angle A is equals to angle D? That is 180 degree, as we know that already. Angle was, sorry, angle A plus angle D should be equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Again, angle B and angle C, we can write angle B and plus angle C. That is also equal to angle B and angle C. That is also equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, right? Hani, are you understanding anything today? See, proving sums
Yes,
will
sir.
make you a bit, bored. Proving sums, you have to keep on try to understand. Okay. So try to understand the concept only and keep on doing. See, here should think only all the time. Angle C is equals to angle D. How to prove? You have to find this. See, this whole angle C and whole angle D, this both equal to both are equal. How? You have to prove that. Have you did from your book, Hania? So angle B plus angle C is equals to also 180 degree. From this two, if you can write, so angle A, angle D, angle B, angle C. So angle B is equals to what we can write? Angle B plus angle C. C is equals to angle A is equal to angle B. Okay. Now equate both the equations, children. Equate both. There is a first equation and second equation. Make it equal. Angle A plus angle D is equals to angle B plus angle C. So can we write here? This will get cancelled, right? Angle 1 and angle B will get cancelled. Why? Angle A and angle B are what? Equal. Already put above only, no? Angle A is equal to angle B. So angle A and angle B you can cancel here. So angle C is equals to angle D. See the question, what I've written here. First of all, I written angle A plus angle D. Angle A, this part, plus angle D, both are equal to 180 degree. That is, which reason is this? Co-interior angles. Again, angle B plus angle C. Angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. That is also co-interior angles. Again, you add this both. So angle A and angle B will get cancelled because they are equal. Proved above, right? Then angle C is equals to angle D. Is it clear, Nihar? You are done the same way? Nihar.
Yes, sir. I did this in the same way.
So next question is question number, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. So this is very easy, right? By SAS you can prove. Okay, third question you can prove by SAS. And last one you can tell by CPCT. All right.
Sir, how could you tell once?
You just think this how you can do by SAS. Just try you only. I just tell a hint. SAS how ABC and BAD. 1 minute. You just draw the diagram. We'll get to know side angle side. AB is equals, first you draw the diagram, then you'll get to know. Draw the diagram separately. ABC and BAD, you draw the diagram. ABC. So just draw ABC like this. See, it's coming like this now. A, B, C. And second diagram is BAD. So B, A, B. This is B, this is A, and this is D. Okay. So what is given here in this? AB is equals to BA, both are same. That is there, no?
Yes, sir. Give. It's a common.
AB and BA both are same only, correct?
Yes,
Neha?
sir. Angle A is equal to angle B.
And again, what they're given here, 1 minute. What they given? Angle A is equal to angle B. What
Yes,
is-
sir. We have proved that in the previous part.
Yeah, angle A is equals to angle B. Angle A is equals to angle B.
And AD is equal to BC. They have given.
They've given where? AD is equal to BC, where they're given. AD is equals to BC. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
all three
So
are equal. You
S.
proved
Yes,
above
sir.
only. Yes.
SAS.
AD is equals to BC.
So by SAS.
But AD is equal to what they're given? BC, right? This and this is coming now.
Yes, sir.
So it's not SAS. This is SSA. No, still you should prove AC is equal to BD is coming anywhere. AC is equals to BD is coming. Achha, this is also there. No, angle A is equals to angle B. We can write this one, children. See, this you remove right now. You should write this angle A is equals to angle B should come here. Now you can write SAS. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Nihad, now you compare this one. Is it clear or not? As see, compare this same diagram.
Yes,
with the
sir.
previous one.
Yes, sir.
Clear? No.
Yes, sir.
Now fourth part is diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD. So obviously this is what? By CP we can write, right? The fourth one is by CP CTC. That's it. So this is the last question, no, of the chapter. Any more questions are there?
Sir, we have one whole exercise left.
Huh?
Sir, we have one whole exercise left.
Okay. Eight point two we should do now, right?
Yes.
Eight point two. 8.2.
Sir, someone is there in waiting room. Huh?
Someone is.
Is there in waiting room?
I can't find right now anybody here.
No, sir. Actually, someone wrote message.
Maybe he's trying. What is name? Priyanshu. कौन उसके साथ नहीं थी Hania, have you any doubt from your textbook?
Yes.
Can you send all those questions so that we will clarify parallelly with this?
I don't want it.
Sai Ritvik, Nihar, Vivek, Sriyanvi. Nihar, have you done this question?
No, sir.
Proving sums completely, you should think no over this, right, Nihar?
So
What we can do? What idea you are having with this question? What we can say about this?
Sir, I'm not getting this, sir.
Okay. You see, first of all, what is given this question? This is a quadrilateral, okay? So in which P, Q, R, S are midpoints. This P, Q, R, S. These all are the midpoints of the sides A, B, B, C, C, A, and C, D, and D, A. Okay. And one more thing, what they're given, we have to prove that if here you see AC is the midpoint, right? SR is the midpoint formula, you know, Nihar? You know
No, sir.
midpoint theorem.
No, sir.
You should remember this midpoint theorem once. What is midpoint theorem? See here, it's given that S is the midpoint of AD, it's given. S is midpoint of AD, right? And here is given that R is the midpoint of CD. See, R is the midpoint of CD and S is the midpoint of AD. Okay. One more thing. Then you can say here that S to R, right? SR is parallel to AC and SR is equals to, you can more thing you can say, that is half of AC. See, this is the midpoint theorem from to prove first I've read here. See, if this is the S is the midpoint of AD completely and R is the midpoint of CD. So the line joining the SR, okay, the line joining the SR and AC, this both become parallel and SR is just half of AC. That is it, that this is nothing but what? A midpoint theorem. What is this? Midpoint theorem. One more thing I'll tell you here. In triangle BSUC, same thing you just write here. Q is the midpoint of BC and P is the midpoint of what? AB, right? Nihar, do you understand what I'm saying here? Midpoint theorem, understood or not? See, I'm just drawing on triangle over here. This is a triangle, okay? One point, this is name as A, D, and C is given. This is S and this is R. If S is the midpoint of AD and R is the midpoint of DC, Nihar, can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
Then line joining this SR. So this becomes parallel to AC and SR becomes half of AC. It's clear. The midpoint what joining the line, that is half of the AC one. The same thing we are using over here also. So how to prove this one? PQ is equal to SR, same way, just what you have used in first part, same way used for second one also. So what we can write here, tell P is the midpoint of AB, P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. Then what we can write? Can we write here PQ is parallel to AC? Huh?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So that PQ is parallel to AC, but second one you should prove. No, how to prove second one then? PQ is equal to SR, how we can say? Here we can say from first and second. This is the first one, right? Name this is A and B. This is A and this is B. So from A and B, what we can say? See right here, right more directly you can write. PQ is equals to SR from A and B. You can write like this. The second got proved. Second one got proved from A and C. From A and B, this got proved, right? So first one got proved from here, second got proved from here. Anyone having doubt in this two part? First one we have done by midpoint theorem, and second one by combining this we got that. So till here, anyone having doubt? Sai Ritvik?
Sir, can you explain the theorem again to me?
Which one, Sai Ritvik? Which one you are not getting?
The midpoint theorem, I didn't understand it.
Okay, midpoint part you are not understanding. See, only this triangle you see, this triangle, okay? I've made separately now before. See this triangle. Name it as ABC, and this is DE, okay? So in this figure, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, okay? So the line joining DE, so DE is equals to, D is parallel to BC, you can say first, and D is equals to half of BC. This is the midpoint theorem. Midpoint
Yes,
is
sir.
midpoint, okay?
So this
But-
applies to any triangle?
Yeah, if any triangle, if this is the midpoint of AB side and E is the midpoint of AC, then line joining DE, this DE is parallel to BC and D is half of BC. This is the midpoint theorem, okay? Is it clear or not, Sai Ritvik?
Yes, sir, clear. So one other doubt is,
Huh.
PQ is equal to SR. Is there any possibility of doing it by CPCT?
Which one?
Sir, PQ is equal to SR part.
How you
Is
can
there
do by
any-
CPCT? Which triangle you not proved yet? No, any triangle is congruent.
Yes, sir. Okay, that was my
If
doubt.
you proved something, then you can write no by CPCT.
Okay, sir.
But here we have not find any triangle is congruent.
Yes, sir.
So your first, second part got finished. Now how we can prove that PQRS is a parallelogram? Say Nihar, how we can say PQRS is a parallelogram?
So PQ is parallel to SR, PQ is equal to SR. Therefore, PQRS is a parallelogram.
It's easy, you know this one.
Yes, sir.
So here what is given? PQ is equals to, we'll write here simply. Third point is easier only, right? So PQ is parallel to SR. We can write, if PQ is parallel to AC and SR is parallel to AC, see from this one, this A and B, we can write no. If PQ is parallel to AC and AC is parallel to SR, so PQ is parallel to SR also, right? Also we can write PQ is equals to SR and SP is equal to RQ is given. How we can write? Yes. Neha, then how we found this one is parallel?
No, sir. SR is equal to PQ. No, so there's a theorem.
SR is equals to PQ is given already. SR.
We proved it, right?
SI
Yes.
is equal to PQ is given here.
Yes, sir. So PQRS is a parallelogram.
Yeah, if they're equal, then it's a parallelogram. PQ, by this only we can say PQRS is a parallelogram by theorem only. No need to prove this. This is equal and all, right?
Yes.
So if lines are parallel and equal, then that's a parallelogram. Okay. So here only thinking part only should be there. So much thinking. How many questions are there in this exercise? Again, bigger question is coming now. So once you try, children, this will take long time. Can you try at home? If you're having doubt, you can ask. Because all that similar type question, if you just try by yourself, you can get these questions. Hania, did you send your doubts in the WhatsApp or anywhere?
No, sir, I didn't send.
Okay, you can send in the means by today. Try to send. We'll just finish
Yeah,
your
sure,
doubts.
sir.
Do you want to play quiz on quadrilaterals or based on quadrilaterals, Nihar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. I'm sharing the quiz on quadrilaterals. 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 See this question. If you know, you can do easier. If you don't know, it become like, you know, you become feel bored. If you want, see so many children not responding at all. So try to do questions. If you're having doubt, just send in the chat box. Means the WhatsApp will just clarify it. Okay. Quadrilateral. After this chapter, which one chapter is pending, Nihar? Construction is there.
Yes, sir. Construction, circles, surface.
Surface area in volumes.
No, sir. That way done.
Okay, I'm sharing the link to everyone. Sent already. Just check. Did you got? Nihar has joined. Join fast, all of you. Three children joined out of who has left? Sai Ritvik. Satvik has not there. Satvik is not there, right? Satvik. So only 5 children. Who has not joined? Shriyanvi is there. Hania is there. Nihar. Pulastya, you have not joined. Pulastya. Pulastya.
It's loading.
Okay. With one and only one variable size.
Done, sir. Sir.
Done.
Okay, so let's send next one. In game, I'm just ending the game. Shriyanvi.
So can we leave?
No. Still one more we will play.
Okay, sir.
Wait, it's still 9 o'clock. It's not happened. Wait, I'll just second one we do. One more. Quadrilateral. Yeah, second one also I message to you people. Just check. Pulastya and Sai Ritvik, join fast. Pulastya, Sai Ritvik.
Yeah, mine is loading.
Sai Ritvik. Shriyanvi, you have joined, right? Hania has joined. Nihar.
Yeah, it's just loading for a long time. I'll just turn my Wi-Fi on and off.
Your what? Internet is slow, Pulastya?
It's not supposed to be slow. I'll just turn it on.
Okay, you can join, then you can start that. I just started right now. When you'll get, you just start off. Okay.
Done, sir. Sir, can I leave?
Second angle.
Very good, Hania. You have done very well. You can leave, no problem. Shriyanvi, still you are doing? Shriyanvi? Shriyanvi.
Still doing, sir.
Okay, you can leave. Shriyanvi. You
Okay,
are leaving
sir.
now?
Should I finish the quiz, sir?
Okay, finish.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो किसने भी बना क्या दिक्कत है
Done, sir.
Okay, Shriyanvi, you can leave for the day.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.